Are you curious about how technology is transforming industries today? The Base44 platform may be perfect for you. Built for rapid automation, this platform can generate functional applications effortlessly. On this platform, I have been turning ideas into reality through a range of innovative projects. With a total of 12 projects, 3 are already published, while 9 are in development. Let's dive into some featured projects. First up, we have College Assist, a platform designed to help students, parents, and college planners navigate higher education preparation for admissions. It offers personalized guidance and resources to ensure students make informed decisions. Next is Course Gen Pro. This AI-powered platform helps educators and course content creators build comprehensive online courses with labs and quizzes efficiently. If you're looking for financial wellness, Finbot is your solution. This app provides AI coaching, smart budgeting, and personalized guidance, helping users manage their finances effectively. Another exciting project is OrgGraph. This AI-powered HR analytics platform identifies organizational vulnerabilities and supports data-driven talent decisions aimed at HR leaders. EduBot is our AI-powered K-12 platform that generates comprehensive course content and lesson plans quickly, enhancing the learning experience for students, educators, and homeschoolers. Mavitech Grant streamlines the entire grant funding lifecycle, perfect for nonprofits and researchers seeking effective grant management. For educators, Syllabi AI simplifies syllabus creation. It generates standards-aligned course syllabi in minutes, saving countless hours of planning. Career Advisor Pro helps professionals advance their careers with intelligent resume, optimization, and personalized job matching, all powered by AI. LegalFlow is a practice management platform that automates routine workflows for law firms, boosting efficiency and reducing administrative overhead. Among the published projects, the Elevate Technology Academy offers online technology courses with student enrollment and certification management. Finally, the Mavacente Technology Project has been redeveloped using Base44. Mavacente connect businesses in Georgia with expert IT talent, offering staffing solutions enhanced by AI services. Each project reflects our dedication to improving education, finance, and beyond through technology. Ready to learn more about these projects or build your own? Visit our website, www.hawktechscope.com portfolio to explore how we can build solutions for your needs.